Introducing Accelerate with AI, a course for business owners, digital marketers, content creators, and freelancers expertly curated by Aparna Gaikwad and Jody K. Edwards. This dynamic course is designed to empower your business and career journey with the help of AI, leveraging the extensive expertise of Aparna and Jody. Hello, I am Aparna Gaikwad, your instructor for the course. I have a background in software development, which means I know how to create and work with computer programs. I've also spent a lot of time in the world of digital marketing, where I have learned how to promote and advertise things online. But I am not alone in this journey. I'm joined by another fantastic instructor, Jody K. Edwards. She's a celebrity brand manager, CEO, and fractional CMO, which means she's an expert in managing and growing famous brands. Jody will help you to understand how AI can help businesses. Together, Jody and I will guide you through the world of AI, providing you with the essential knowledge and skills to excel in your respective fields. So get ready to dive into the world of AI with us. Whether you are a business owner or a digital marketer looking for innovative strategies, a content creator seeking creative inspiration, or a freelancer aiming for career growth, Accelerate with AI is your gateway to success in the AI-driven landscape.